It was a month end and user want to reverse a journal soon, but he was not able to reverse the journal as the reverse button is grayed out. It was very critical that the issue needs to be resolved for month end. Let's see in this video how we resolve that issue. This is Arvind Varaganti and you are watching Oracle EBS and Fusion Videos channel. We started with the troubleshooting steps. So we asked the user if he was able to reverse the journals with that journal source in the past, and then user mentioned that he never reversed the journals with the journal source in the past. Then we asked the user what exactly the journal source, and he mentioned it's XYZ. And then we realized that that's a custom source which we have set up. So all the journals which we are getting from some other legacy systems are imported into Oracle GL with that particular source. Then we asked him as to what is the business reason why he want those journals to be reversed directly in GL. Ideally, if there are any journals which are imported from any other external system, the reversal journals should be coming from that source system. So he has provided some kind of a business justification, and we were satisfied with that. So we then went into the resolution part. So as far as the resolution part is concerned, we verified that the freeze general option for the particular general source was set as yes. If freeze general source option is set as yes, then system will not allow those journals to be reversed. I mean, it makes sense generally for any journals which are coming from your external system or from sub-ledger. Generally, the freeze journal should be set as yes, because we do not go for any kind of approval for those journals. Generally, for manual or spreadsheet journal sources, the freeze journal option would be set to no, but whereas for other sources it will be set as yes. But this being an exception case, so we took a required approval. We set that free journal source as no under journal source, and then we asked the user to reverse the journal, and after that we reverted back our setup. That's very much important. So this is how we resolve the issue. I can explain this with any journal source as an example. Probably I do not have that journal source, but maybe I just pick up any other journal source. Maybe I'll pick up say spreadsheet journal source as an example, and then I'll show the steps which we have executed. So first of all, let me go to general accounting journals. Let me search for some of the journals with the journal source of spreadsheet. So journal source spreadsheet. I mean, assume that this is the custom source from my explanation perspective. Okay, so here you can see if I click on any of these journals which are already posted, you can see reverse is enabled. Okay, now let me go to the journal sources and then disable that particular option, and then come back to this particular screen, and then you should be able to see that reverse batch button would be disabled. Okay, so setup and maintenance. Manage journal sources. Search for spreadsheet. This is the option, freeze journals. So click here and set it to yes. Okay, so earlier it was no, and hence it was allowing me to reverse the journal batches. Now let me set it to yes. So once I do that, if I go to that particular screen, reverse button will be disabled. I mean, I need not log out, or I need not again run any LDAP or any other program. The change should be effective immediate. Manage journals, spreadsheet, and it was in May. Okay. See, you can keep your cursor anywhere here. Your reverse batch button is disabled. So this is how we resolve the issue. Thanks for watching my video. For interesting videos on Oracle Fusion Financials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.